And welcome back to the stream. In the last episode we implemented table mirror 2D. On YouTube I won't label this as a War Tycoon programming episode, since it is not really a topic of War Tycoon, but it's table mirror. So what did we do in our last programming session? We created battles. So if I click on a battle, I see the battle soldiers. So battle soldiers, we have our soldiers involved, and so each battle has a lot of attacks and a lot of soldiers, and every soldier has to fight in every attack, since it's a software game, and yes, they meet once and fight all attacks. If I go into an attack, git pull localhost for DB check. There's some error. Drop foreign key. So what is, I am in attack view, and let's take a look at the UML chart. Okay, so we have a battle soldier and an attack soldier. And of course, when viewing an attack, I should see the list of attack soldiers. So attack, list of attack soldiers, it is there. For the update I compiled an old version, so the feature is not in there already because it's unfinished. So I can view the attack and I see all attack soldiers. And now we want to add a table mirror 2D between attack and battle soldier, which will result in a attack soldier. So table mirror 2D, table mirror attack soldier will result from an attack which is created from the table attack, and will always be there, and from soldier will be loaded from battle soldier, and also B1, but it's not that easy. So every battle soldier, but only of a join condition. So I have to add a second join addition. Okay. So the problem is I have to do something like to do. If we only have one battle, it's completely okay. But to do join condition attack dot battle must be battle soldier dot battle. And then so our attack will be the attack and our soldier will be a battle soldier. Table mirror column attack soldier. So from the attack I load the owner and the defender. So hired by, every soldier will by default be hired by the defender. Fetch owner from country where ID is our attack defender. The mirror column for backends easy editor. CRUD mirror 2D. Table mirror column, no update. So attack soldier dot attack will not have attack and hired by will not have any no update. So if I add a if I change the soldier hired by, it will not be overwritten in an update statement. Same for attack soldier salary. So attack salary will start at 0, so the defense is free for the defender until the attacker hires some soldiers for it. And of course we have to do some join condition, and the join condition just brings everything durcheinander. So we have we have to extend our table mirror fact again. So we have to have a join column. Table call parent table condition and join DSL1 and join DSL2. Same here. Join DSL1 and join DSL2. In join DSL1 and join DSL2 we want to say like attack.battle is soldier.battle. So let's join battle with battle. Let's take a look. So we want to join this column and this column. Okay. We have to compile. We have to compile join 1 and join 2 with both associated and new. Join 1, join 1 as new and as associated. Join 2, join 2. Parent table 2 as new and new 2. And also have an expression DSL with the same name. Expression DSL join 2 is of course our join 2 DSL. Same for our join 1. Join 1 and join 1 DSL. So in the one DSL expression on the left side has to equal one DSL expression on the right side. Now we have to check all insert columns. Insert into select, where, and now we have our first expression, like expression SQL, new SQL, and now we have to put in our join conditions, like expression SQL, join SQL, join SQL. So join 1 will be new, and it has to be equal to join 2 from associated. That's the insert trigger in the first one. And the insert trigger in the second one has it the completely other way around. Join 1 is associated and join 2 is new column. Same holds for our second insert query. Okay. On the update query, we do not join all with all, but so we don't have to look at the delete or update queries here, because our delete or update queries somehow don't correspond to any. Yes, they just work like they are, because because of the join we have to restrict our inserts. And yes, now our to-do is done. So we have an attack soldier bound to a battle, and also a battle soldier bound to a battle. Join 1 DSL was not declared, line 31. pd of course join 1DSL. Join 1. It's join DSL1. Same for join DSL2. So join DSPL. Okay. You have an error in your SQL syntax where a tag is new ID. This looks like our delete trigger. No, it's kind of the update trigger. Let's take a look into our dbcheck code and search for exactly this phrase. Where a tag. Okay, update set. So we have no set values because we have marked them all as no update. Maybe we should restructure the code so that on a table mirror column update we just set them to their original values. Call a call. If there's a no update, we set them to call or to value SQL. $. So this should be it. call is if there's a table mirror, no update, call again, or choose value SQL. Okay. And of course it's bound to column 1. Same for our normal mirror. There's just the column. Col. So here the same. Or move it to the outside. There we have it. Of course, our migration, we should also add a migration code to mirror 2D later, but it's not a priority in the moment. What if a join condition changes? It's really complicated stuff. Of course, attack will not change in. So if the attack is moved to a different battle, of course, all attack soldiers have to be removed from the current attack, and all attack soldiers have to, yes, they have to be removed from the attack, and all soldiers from the new battle have to be inserted. So I have to create a new upcoming battle. So on this date we have a new battle, and we have like Fib fighting and Kali fighting. Oh, Fib of course has a automatic rifle. So if we now create a battle belonging to this new battle, if we attack Ebersdorf, then we have, yes, it worked, We have our attack soldiers, Fib with automatic rifle and Kali with single shot, hired by no one, and salary is 0. Okay, if I create I am admin. If I go to a country that I'm not the owner of, regions, like Worbis is owned by Kali. Attack this country, battle create. Then Carly hired Fib for 0 and Carly with single shot hired Carly for 0 salary. So that's our status quo. Mirror, every attack has attack soldiers. Now let's adjust the access rules. Attack soldiers must not be changed by anyone. Because we are creating a extra menu for it. Forbid attack soldier. They are completely created and removed automatically. So mirror 2D join condition. So, next step. This menu is ugly. So, instead of having a list of attack soldiers and a hired by list, I want to have a better graphical representation. Like, I want to have a attacker on the left side and a defender on the right side. So how many lines does our attack code have? 144 lines of code. That's already a lot. So let's see if we want to really write it into this. Let's write it here. So card form field grab card form field row card form rows field. Yes. Card form rows field. Our attack view will get a rows field, which is yes, main. Let's call it main, and to do tabular view here. We already have a rows field there with a preview of our map. Source map will tell us. rows field. Yes, country view and attack view. Card form field order. Attack view. The map should be in first place. And our main should be in second place. Attack menu after map. So, and our table, we can already copy the table layout from, let's say, here. Element under Suchen. There we have our table, copy outer HTML. Okay. So let's insert a basic table here. Oof. Let's remove all TRs except the first one. And also remove all these table fields. Let's search for one TD and leave it TH. Yes. Remove it and remove this one. Okay, TH class data table numeric span style and so on and so on. Close it. So we have a table class, MDL table, data table, shadow 2D, table resizable. No, not resizable. Data table ID. So style. Width is 100%. Table layout fixed. No data upgraded. We have a table head. We have a table row with our table head there and so on. Table head closing. Same for table body and closing the table. So in our TH, T head, T double, T body, we have a table head and a table body, and we have two columns. We have an attacker and a defender. Okay. Attack. We have an attack. Which column does an attack have? Attack has attacker, owner, status, defender. Country owner, attacked user, will be user, which is fetch owner from country where ID is defender. So these 4 columns. No card form field. Card form field. Card form. No field. No card form rows. No card form rows field. So I can remove workflow attack view, just found an error. Okay, I can remove all these 4 columns from the detail view just because I will render them into my table. So attack view won't show attacker, it won't show status, it won't show defender, and it won't show country owner, because we will render these fields here. Attacker will be card form field, card form rows field with vf attack view, attack description and code HTML. So enter the code from our attacker. Attack country. And of course attacker. Not status, not status, not status. Owner. We have to hide the owner, not the status. Okay, this is the owner of the battle. This is this, which is this, who is displayed there, and also attack view like our defender, attacker, defender, country owner, and there we have to say like to do load soldiers list. So, yes, we have a revolution from admin against Vobis Kali. To do load soldiers list. This is our attack view. State is scheduled, battle started at, battle decision at, and so on. Now let's go through the soldier list. So soldiers is fob database query select star from battle soldier. No, let's better select star from battle soldier. No, attack soldier. Where attack equals ID. For each soldier, and then I will just render yes, to do echo HTML entities of JSON encode of our soldier. For each soldiers as soldier, select star from attack soldier, where attack is int vol ID. So there's a problem. Of course, we have to render whole table rows instead of so we have a revolution admin versus Worbis Kali. Now we have our attack soldier and so on. Now we have to somehow render the soldier description. Lib types battle soldier battle. Well, we would have to use the code of the list column reference. So this is our list column reference. For backends easy to CRUD multi-list column reference. list column reference will create card form table 2 column. So let's hide the whole thing. No attack soldier attack. Let's hide the list column reference, but like hidden, but we need the data. Take a look at our soldier list. Soldiers we want to load from from data view, attack soldier attack, get data for our ID. Let's see if we already get interesting data there. Internal failure. So, to view arguments. Okay, outlib data view, attack soldier, attack, get data, will ask for SQL add-on, parameters, and stream. Yes. So SQL add-on is empty, parameters is empty, and so on. Okay. For each soldier's data as soldier. It's called somehow else. Result items. Okay. Soldier items. Okay. Okay, there we have our attack soldier with ID 5 and so on. Attack can view attack description, hired by can view, and so on. It's kind of too much. So this is our example object that will arrive. And now we have to make a decision if so. At first, this is our object that will arrive. If soldier hired by is equal to data owner, so the attack owner, then it's an attack. So then we will render the attack name. Soldier. Soldier. Description. This is filled with automatic rifle. Otherwise, we will render the soldier description on the other side. And also echo types, money, print, so on, credits for how much money he was hired, like soldier hired by salary. And on the other case, we have him on the right side, so we have a slash there. Okay. That's basically everything we need to do. Button for hiring. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, Revolution is defended by FIB with automatic rifle. Now, let's take a look at the project roadmap. War Tycoon. We already solved our table mirror thing. And we have to implement the auction preview. So now we have to insert the attack. So if I am the attacker, if data of soldier. No. If data attack no. If I am the battle owner. If data owner is fob user get ID, then button for hiring insert a button like button icon button class JS button. All without icons. Let's say this button should be yes. No, it's also without icon. But let's just copy from here. Here we have an example. Button class ng button so on icon. Let's find an icon for hiring. Money. Hire for, and then we will enter how many credits we have to pay. For types, money, print, soldier, salary +1 and echo. Okay. So we have a button to hire the soldier. Am I the owner? Yes, I am the owner. Button for hiring. If data owner is for user get ID. No button visible yet. Go into outlib tables attack. Button for hiring, okay. Else echo data owner for user get ID. Just prints nothing. Let's take a look into the error code. Error log tells us invalid arguments applied to for each 267. Okay, but we have these buttons. Oh, it's not from now. Ah, I know my fault. Soldier hired by. I have to move this whole code to the other place, because when I am if the soldier is hired by the enemy and I am the owner, then I will see, yes, we have it. Okay, there's MDL button, not fab. Button raised. We just copied the wrong button code. Let's copy this style. So back to the code. We have to move it to this block, and the CSS class is like this. Yes, hire for 1 credit. Okay, after I click on hire for 1 credit, then I should be able to, and so on. Now let's make an on-click event. On-click is not here. Let's make an on-click event. Location.reload. If I reload the whole thing, yes. So on click, I want to say result is attack.php. So let's enter the URL like so. Result is no. Let's do a Ajax request get and so on a URL. But then result if it's returning something, then it's an error like alert result. Otherwise everything went fine, and we can say location.reload. PHP echo HTML entities of a JSON encoded string, JSON encode of tables router attack yes attack soldier hire URL with our soldier ID. Okay, hire URL. Okay, that's basically it. and let's copy it over to our code on the other side. So on the other side, if the thing is hired by the battle owner and I am the defender, so the country owner is me, then I also get a button for hiring with the same specs and so on. Okay. Now class static method. Tables, attack soldier, hire action with an ID, and so on. Class static method, class method access, hire action is available if we are allowed to do a attack soldier view. If we are allowed to view the data set, we can also hire the one because we do our security checks in here. So let's do a naive implementation. Update attack soldier, set salary is salary +1 and hired by is fob user get ID, where ID is, so this is our naive code. We just hire them, we set them as hired by, and so on. So if I hire Fib for 1 credit, unexpected token. I should have tested it before I copy. Then function result same here. Function result. Okay. Same here. Function result function result. Test again. Hire for 1 credit, click on it, fail to load, so can't element undersuchen. Button, 1 click, get attacker action is higher and action is higher and outlib tables router attack soldier hire URL hire URL 2 And maybe the value is null. Where's our higher button? Okay. Soldier. Okay. Soldier. 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 Hire for 1 credit. Now fib is on my side. If I log in as fib, so fib and password is secret, then I have undecided attacks like my attacks. I want to have also a list of defenses. So my attacks and under attack, defend, under attack. I'm under attack if t.country owner is fob user. Let's test the whole thing. Error occurred. The error is column not found, country owner. So an attack has a column country owner, but it's not like attack. No. Select owner from status is 1 and t.defender in select owner from country, select ID from, so select all my countries where owner is fob user. Under attack. So all undecided battles so is under attack is empty. But if I log in as fib, I'm also not under attack. Do I really own this country? Neueibau, Ebersbach. Let's attack him. Let's attack Ebersbach. Attack this country. Now he is under attack. Yes, and he sees the revolution, and the admin can see hire. Now I can hire like both soldiers. And Fib can see, okay, he can hire them back. Hire them back. Hire them back. Hire. Okay, this has to be somehow optimized with Ajax and so on. Okay, so I have to somehow reload only one line of that thing. Yes. And I have to have like real-time updates. And I also should increase the hiring level with the time. So the raise level. And of course it's not subtracted from the money in the moment and so on. So lots of issues to handle. But I think that is a good status, so we just created the auction view. For the next time, we want to like pay 4 auctions, so it has to be subtracted from your money. Then we have to somehow auction bidding in real time. So Ajax refresh of the table part. We have to somehow extract it into a like Ajax refreshable part. Then we have to have a like a cancel refund if a battle is cancelled. Sold auction bidding in real time, pay for auctions, battle cancel refund. Then we have to have the bid raise. And we have to have some auction bid notifications. And of course, you should only get notifications if you're not online. Only if not online, and only if not, yes, if you're not online, and if you are offline, then you should also get like the notification, not 100 times, but only one time you get some soldiers abundant, and not repeatedly when offline. So soldiers can be hired, status scheduled, battle start at, and so on. no bid if battle status is not 1. So I think that's it for today. We had a lot of fun creating this new episode of battles, and now let's end the live stream and continue another day.